Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have a very mild day in store for us today. Those temperatures will be about 10 to 15 degrees above normal today, as we'll see those highs in the upper 60s before all is said and done today. Taking a look across the region yesterday, we saw pretty warm temperatures yesterday as well, all the way up in the upper 70s at Richmond, 60 degrees here at Wallops, 56 at Ocean City. You can see cooler conditions right along the coast yesterday. And as you work your way inland, temperatures are much warmer, all the way up to 70 degrees in Salisbury. So difference of just a few miles made a big difference yesterday as you moved away from the coast. Looking at the overnight low temperatures yesterday, you saw temperatures holding pretty warm through the overnight period as we continue to see those southerly breezes keeping those temperatures in the 50s and 60s for lows. Last night, 51 degrees at Ocean City, and at Pax River, 52 degrees here at Wallops. We have seen trace amounts of precipitation in the area this morning, with the trace reported at Wallops, the trace also reported at Pax River and at Dover. We'll see more of that rainfall as we go into the evening hours tonight. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the 60s. We were the cool spot right along the coast here at Ocean City at 50 and 56 at Wallops as of 9 a.m. Light rain also reported at Wallops as of 9 a.m. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, that freezing level was at 11,400 feet, and our winds generally running out of a southwesterly direction at the low levels and at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, where you see the winds a little bit more out of a westerly direction once you get up to 25,000 feet, and generally running between 40 and 50 knots through the column. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, this frontal boundary off to our west will be making its way toward the east coast as we go into the evening hours tonight. Out ahead of that, we're going to see very mild conditions as this warm southerly wind continues over our region, and we could see some gusty winds as we go into the afternoon today. A pretty good bet we'll see a wind advisory with those winds over 25 knots at times. And we will also see the slight chance of a few scattered rain showers, much like what we have already seen this morning. Looking at our forecast maps here for the next couple of days, you can see the front will be making its way toward the central portions of Virginia by the afternoon hours today, and then later this evening, that's when we're going to see the showers and thunderstorms start to push through the area as that front crosses right around 10 o'clock this evening, just before midnight. Overnight tonight, clouds will quickly decrease, and we'll see mostly clear skies by Saturday morning as we wake up to sunshine, breezy conditions, and a bit cooler weather as well than what we will see today, with those high temperatures back in the 50s for Saturday. Pushing into Saturday night and into Sunday, we're going to see pretty nice weather overall this weekend, but it will be a little cool and breezy at times, especially on Saturday. Another reinforcing shot of cooler air arriving Saturday night, so those high temperatures on Sunday will be even cooler than what we expect tomorrow. Sunday evening, we're going to see a minor disturbance make its way out of the Midwest and could touch off a light rain shower or two early Monday morning, but not looking at anything significant out of that system as it comes through. Any kind of rainfall should be light in nature early Monday morning. I'm going to take a look here at our short-range computer model and what we can expect from these showers as they move through later this evening. You can see here this morning just a few rain showers that will be continuing to move off the coast, and we're going to see a little bit of a break in the action as we go into the late morning and into the afternoon hours. This is at 11 a.m. You can see really no significant rainfall around our area being produced by the model. And as we go into the afternoon, we're going to start to see a little bit of shower activity begin to pop ahead of the main line of storms that will move through later this evening. So after about 6 o'clock, you do run the risk of seeing a shower and maybe a possible thunderstorm. And then as we see this line develop and move through, looks like the best timing estimate on when this will actually move through the Wallops region is right around 10 o'clock this evening. 9 or 10 o'clock, so should see those showers and thunderstorms moving through the area. So we will see the rain chances increasing later this evening, and also those thunderstorm chances as well, looking at about a 55% chance of seeing a thunderstorm later tonight. As we go through the overnight period and into the day tomorrow, those showers will move well off the coast, and we'll see just some breezy conditions with abundant sunshine in store for us on Saturday. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, you can see those showers that were moving off the coast earlier this morning have exited the area, and we're going to see mainly dry conditions through the next few hours before we enter the chance of some precipitation once again late this afternoon into the evening hours, running about a 25% chance of some thunderstorm activity associated with those showers after 6 p.m., running that 25% through about 8 o'clock, and then we're going to increase our chances up to around 55% between the hours of 8 o'clock and midnight tonight as that line of storm crosses the region. So could see some of those storms produce some gusty winds in our area. Probably a better chance of seeing some of those severe thunderstorms off to our north in the Salisbury area, the way it looks right now, but can't rule out some of those thunderstorms still being fairly strong as they move through the area here later on this evening, with again about a 55% chance of seeing some lightning in the immediate vicinity of Wallops. Looking at the overnight period, again, those showers and thunderstorms will move quickly off the coast and we'll wake up to mostly clear skies by Saturday morning. Our winds will be pretty gusty as we go into the afternoon as well. Looking at the chances of wind advisory being posted this afternoon with those gusts over 25 knots expected, and then continuing to see breezy conditions tonight and into the early portion of Saturday, seeing those winds turn from southwest to northwest after midnight tonight. Saturday, expecting mostly sunny and breezy conditions. Those winds will be a little lighter tomorrow than what we will see today, expecting winds gusting to around 20 to 25 knots, see a high of 55 degrees. A cool night expected Saturday night with mostly clear and seeing those winds calm down as well with a low of 33. And then for Sunday, mostly sunny skies, becoming mostly cloudy during the evening with a high of 54 degrees. So for the next 7 days, we'll see after these storms move through later tonight, some pretty tranquil conditions this weekend with abundant sunshine. Cooler conditions, though, with a high of 55 on Saturday and 49 on Sunday. Again, just a slight chance of a light rain shower early during the day on Monday, and then it looks like we'll probably see dry conditions for most of next week as well. Temperatures pretty close to average for this time of year, maybe a little cooler than normal through the midweek period, with those highs running in the low 50s. And eventually by Thursday, we'll start to see a little bit more of a milder air mass work its way into the region, with a high temperature on Thursday expected of 56 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.